In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create milestones in a Gantt chart in Smartsheet. Milestones are those key moments in your project where something major is completed, like finishing a phase or reaching a go-live date. In Smartsheet, they're represented by a small diamond icon on your Gantt chart, and they make it much easier to track progress at a glance. First, open your Smartsheet project sheet in your browser. Make sure you're looking at the sheet where your project tasks and dates are stored. By default, many sheets open in grid view, which is the table-style layout with rows and columns. If you are in grid view, look for the view options at the top of the sheet and click on grid to confirm you're there. This is where you can see all your task names, start dates, end dates, and durations in a spreadsheet format. It's useful to check that the task you want to turn into a milestone has a start and end date set, because milestones are based on those dates. Next, switch over to the Gantt view. At the top of the sheet, click on Gantt. This will open the timeline on the right side, with your tasks shown as horizontal bars. Each bar represents the duration of a task. Now, locate the task that you want to convert into a milestone. In the example shown, the task has a duration of 22 days. Click directly on the duration cell for that task. When you click on it, you'll be able to edit the value. To turn this task into a milestone, change the duration to 0 days. In other words, delete the existing duration and type in 0, then confirm the change. In Smartsheet, any task with a duration of 0 days is treated as a milestone. Once you've done that, look back at the Gantt chart on the right. Instead of a bar, you should now see a small diamond icon in the timeline where that task appears. That diamond represents your milestone. You can also click on the task name, such as a phase name, to confirm the change and see that the milestone is now in place. From here, you can repeat this process for any other key tasks that should be milestones. Just open the sheet, switch to Gantt view, select the task, set the duration to 0, and check for the diamond icon on the chart.